Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You already have the app and permissions. Now begin. Open Taobao, tap the scan icon in the top right, and hold your phone steady. Aim the camera so the QR fills about 1/3 to 1/2 of the frame. This gives the scanner clear contrast and speed. If the code is on another device, reduce glare and increase brightness on the source screen. Once the app recognizes the pattern, wait for the pop-up prompt instead of moving the phone. Once the camera captures the code, Taobao will show an action menu. Choose Open, Add to Cart, or Login depending on context. For QR codes on another phone or laptop, choose the album/import option in the scanner to use a screenshot. This bypasses glare and focus issues. If the QR triggers a web link, Taobao's in-app browser opens for a faster, secure flow. Make sure you read permission prompts. If it's a login QR, confirm the device name before approving to keep your account safe. Finish by following the app prompts, confirm payment details, accept the login request, or view the product page. You should see a success message or the target page load. Make sure to verify price or account name before finalizing. If nothing happens, one key troubleshooting step is to use the scanners, select from album to import a clear screenshot. Also update Taobao, reboot the phone, and re-enable camera permission. If issues persist, clear app cache and try again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.